Hey guys, LCM Games, and we're here with some more Battlefield 4 footage. I mean, gameplay, it's already out. It's been released for like 6 months now. Okay, Golmud Railway. Dang it. I don't like this map. Who knows? I might try to snipe. Yep, I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, attack helicopter, baby, let's go. Look at this beast with this camo on it. Gonna fly over these tanks, makes me look completely beast. That's not what I wanted to say, but I'm not gonna use those words. This is, after all, made for... Do not hit me! No jet ramming. I hate jet rammers. Whoa! Dude, the hell... The enemy jet's trying to take me out. I'm not letting him succeed. I'm out. Unbeliever. Do you believe love is? What? Not really. I've been on my Twitter. I haven't been on our Twitter. I haven't been on it yet. Oh yeah, I got on the back of the train one day. Dang it, I'm gonna die. This guy's gonna kill me. And I'm dead. You know, I don't know if I should use the Glock. I don't think I should. It's got a ton of recoil on it. It's hard to control. Hey, look, I spawned on the train. Whee! Whee! What? No? We ran 723s Tuesday at workouts. And we only ran 16 down and back, but it was so hard because the sun was, there was no clouds at all. The sun was right on us. Yeah, we ran by the we ran in the parking lot at the old gym. That's where we ran. What? Because some gracious soul had locked the gates to the baseball field. Yeah, I see him. I'm trying to snipe him. Got him. I'm a very bad sniper, guys. Please don't make fun of me. It hurts my feelings when people make fun of me. My voice did not crack. Don't even think about it. It did not. It did not. Hopefully a good one. Not Golmud. Hey, you know what they're adding in Minecraft 1.8? Wait, you know what's coming next? How? Oh. Oh yeah, Operation Locker, and then Siege of Shanghai. Hey, I'm gonna be like Spencer. Dodge and weave, dodge and weave, dodge and weave. Wait, no, I gotta slow tap my gun real quick. Like, bang, 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 bang. I love how he slow taps. Yeah, I love how slow he is when he shoots his pistol. Oh, dude, incoming. Oh, my goodness. That was epic, but the dude's still alive, and I'm about to die probably. Do I have my C4? No, I have a Claymore. Why do I need a Claymore? I have Claymore. I need to get my C4 out. Oh, they're coming on the train. Cole. Oh, he flipped off. Oh, no, he did. No, he didn't. He's coming. He can't hit me. He can't hit me. I'm gonna get in the back of it. I'm gonna die! Hola! I got killed. I am dead. I'm dead. Oh yeah, that was mine. Whee! I hate how it makes you parachute. I would like go to fill the dang, I fell off. Stupid that Cole, get in this Cole. Cole, get in this car. I'm coming to pick you up. Where are we going? Let's go to let's go to Charlie. No, let's go to Echo. It's right here. Man, I'm a good driver. What? Oh, this is a person. I got a road killing. I missed. I'm trying to turn. Trey! More trees! Rock! Where'd he go? Got it. Wait, no, you killed. Oh, come on. That was my roadkill. Look at that. No life gone out of our wonderful vehicle. We didn't lose any life on that. Hey, stay in, because as soon as we cap it, I'm gone. What? Come on, Cole. Get in. And some dude just took your gunner's seat. You just sit there and snipe in the front seat. Maybe this guy will get out. Alright, we're going to get Charlie. Carl. Get out. Get out. Whee! Oh, I was going to make the jump. I was going to jump that building. He got out. Get in the gunner seat. Get in. I was about to jump that building. Dude, have you seen my emblem? Have you seen my cool emblem? We're going to get Bravo. What? It's an eagle. Oh yeah, I got rid of that one. I don't know why. I love SpongeBob. We're probably gonna die here, so get ready. Right in front of us, Cole! Front of us, front of us! He's coming at us! Drive over him! Oh, he shot me out. Oh, I got him! The thing ran over him. Hey, get in mine. Spawn on me, I'm in one. Oh yeah. Let's go wreak some more havoc on peoples. If you were recording Do you know how funny this would look from, like, both of our perspectives? Let's go get Bravo. It's not hitting us. That's an IED. Good thing I wasn't on top of that. Hey, can we try something? Put some Do you have any C4? Put it on the back of our car. And then shoot me and let's see if I go flying. I don't think it'll work. It works on the PC. Just try it. It didn't do anything. I do. Let me get on the road. It's right behind you. Going downhill. Ooh, okay. Maybe. Okay, no. You're gonna put it in front of me on the road, and I'm gonna put it right in front of me where I'm sitting right now, and I'm like put it in front of me. Oh, enemy! Dude, did you get it on him? Yes. Let me park this thing on the road here. We look so stupid just sitting over here. But it's for YouTube. And for our enjoyment. Oh, wait, no. Let me get turned around. And then put it on this road in front of me somewhere. Your C4 is on the car. Spawn on me again. Spawn on me again, man. I just killed him again. Okay, now go put C4 down in front of me on the road. Like, way down there. Oh yeah, right there. I'll back up. And then, right before I drive over it, hit it. Maybe this will work. What? Whoa! Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to do it a little earlier. But let's go down the road a little so there's no more holes for me to drive through. Hey, get in real quick. I'm gonna drive down the road a little bit. Go to our spawn where it's flat. I will. We've got to try this for YouTube. Perfect. I hope it works. Before I get to it though. Oh! Exploded late again. It barely missed. I barely missed it though. It's gotta hit the tail end perfectly. No. Oh, there's enemies on that train. I'm gonna try to hit them. There's a dude. I'm shooting at a person. Got him. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to back up. Ready? Now! Ah, oh, dang it. Why isn't this working? Here, come up here to me. Here, I got it. Come up here to me. I just put one down. Try to put it farther in front of me. Oh, dang it. Is that a tank? It's the tank, we're dead. No! No, 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 no! No! Idiot! He stole our... He stole our thing. Why are you... You were holding... I can't believe he stole it. Let's go kill some people. Let's try to get our car back. Nah, I don't want to switch teams. I'm doing good. There's a person in front of us. You want to snipe him? Because I'm about to start laying havoc on him if I can hit him. I'll go be a distraction. Grenade! Oh, I'm snap. I got killed. Dang. This is a fun episode. Did you die? Dude, get in my... No, there's a stupid dude in it. Get in my thing. Spawn on me. Oh, yeah. Let's go down the road a little where our C4 blasts are. Oh, people! I gotta run over. Whee! Whee! Oh, I missed him. Ah! Switch to my gun. I'm dead. I'm not dead, actually. I can't hit them. They gone. Oh, that's you down there. I'm gonna come through you. Ooh, wait a second. IED. Ooh. Where does this blow up? Whoa! We should have parked the Jeep there. That would be fun. What just happened? I saw a large explosion. There's a dude sneaking up on you that I just killed and saved your life. You're welcome. Ooh, button! Button, button, button! I blew up the IED. Dude, I'm getting in this thing. They're coming at us, man. I think everybody wants to kill us. Got one. There's one snipe. Ah! Snipe that dude on top of the rock. He wants to shoot me with an RPG or something. I'm dead. He missed me again. Hurry up, Cole. I don't know how many more times he's going to keep missing me. Oh, he killed me. I knew he'd hit me with an RPG. Yeah, you're getting RPG'd like crazy. I'm bringing in a car. I'm bringing in a... I lost the car. I don't know where it went. Hello. Hey, friend. I'm gonna get on the ground and cover our back. Dude, here's a car. Whoa! Whoa, they're sick. Oh, guy behind us, guy behind us, guy behind us. He's coming. He killed me. Yeah, I took him down. I took him down to 25 health. Oh, so that was his car he drove up here. I'm in a car. I'll cover us. Oh, never mind. An idiot got on. Watch this. I'm just gonna sit here. He'll get out. He'll get out. Get out. Get out, dude. There's a dry guy right toward us. Please get out. Yay. Where are you? Hola. Yeah, I just drove a car past you. I'm gonna park it here on the road and start unloading on peoples that I see that try to kill us again. There's nobody here trying to kill us anymore. I see a guy. He's way out there. I marked him. Oh god, he marked him. Kill. Yeah, that's me. I hope another car tries to charge me because I always just kill them.
soldiers west of you.
Yeah.
Okay, we have taken control of objective Charlie.
I wish you could drive and shoot at the same time. Like, drive one hand, even if it was just your pistol. I wish you could shoot. I didn't. I'm gonna pull up a little more so I can get a better view. I have a better view now. I wonder how long on time I am. I'm probably running around 20 minutes. This is probably getting very boring for people to watch. I might just time lapse this part that we're like doing nothing. No, that's a good part. This part I might time lapse though. It's kind of just yeah. It's just and me trying to sit here and shoot people with watch this, I'm gonna scare that dude next to you. Nope, that's our dude. No you didn't, your health bar's still full. I wish I had smoke. There's a stupid guy on our team who keeps in our squad who keeps shooting at us. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and please take a few seconds to like and subscribe to this video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.